Most people get this wrong when searching for games that earn gift cards. They assume every app will pay the same. But in reality, reward systems vary a lot. Some apps are consistent, some are slow, and some are mostly entertainment with very small payouts. In this video, you'll get a ranked breakdown of the best games to earn gift cards in 2026, how each one actually works, and what kind of rewards you can realistically expect. By the end, you'll know which games are worth your time and which ones you should avoid. Let's start with number 1, Mistplay. Mistplay is still one of the most reliable reward gaming apps. You install games, play them, and earn points based on your activity. Those points can be redeemed for gift cards. Now here's the key detail. It is consistent, but slow. So if someone like Jake plays daily, he builds rewards over time, not instantly. At number 2, we have Rewarded Play. This app is similar to Mistplay but focuses on casual mobile games like puzzles and strategy apps. It is easy to use, and payouts are stable. But here's the problem. It is limited to certain regions and mainly Android users. Now number 3 is Swagbucks Games. This one is different because it is part of a larger rewards ecosystem. You can earn through games, surveys, and offers. Now here's where it gets interesting. Because of multiple earning options, you can stack rewards faster than single game apps if you stay active. At number 4, we have Cash Giraffe. This app pays you for trying new games and spending time inside them. It is very simple, almost passive in design. But the earnings are small, so it works best as background earning rather than a main focus. Now, number 5 is AppStation-style gaming reward apps. These apps rotate game offers and reward you for playtime. They are easy to start, but the payout consistency is not always as strong as Mistplay or Swagbucks. But here's the truth most people miss. None of these apps will give you meaningful income. They are designed for gift cards, not cash flow. That means your goal should be maximizing value per minute, not trying to earn big. So how do you actually rank them? Mistplay is the most reliable for long-term consistency. Swagbucks Games is the most flexible because of multiple earning methods. Rewarded Play is simple but limited in availability. Cash Giraffe is best for passive background rewards. And AppStation-style apps are okay for casual use but not strong for serious earning. The biggest mistake people make is switching apps too quickly. These systems reward consistency, not constant app hopping. So here is the final takeaway. If you want the best gift card earning experience in 2026, focus on Mistplay for stability and Swagbucks for variety, and use the others only as secondary options. If this helped you, like the video, comment which app you use, and subscribe for more honest breakdowns of earning apps and games in 2026.